In Andrew Alliance, we have always believed that customer support is a key to customer satisfaction and success in getting the utmost of our solutions. It is for that reason why we have organized our support team in such a way to create a proper link between our production development team and our customers. In fact, the support team originally was part of development. For example, myself, when I started in Andrew Alliance, I was working as an R&D engineer, and this gives us the ability to have a proper understanding of our systems and support our customers in the most efficient way. Moreover, we have a well-established non-conformity procedure that allows us to track any deviations from our standards and take all the necessary actions to properly and permanently solve them. In addition, following the acquisition of Andrew Alliance by Waters Corporation, we have now the ability to use an extensive network of highly skilled support specialists, both in the field and in the back office. Like that, we can provide to our customer a set of services that they are designed around our systems. Finally, our support team is used to work remotely by using high technology tools that we hope provide the most efficient and best quality customer support experience, something that has been very useful during these unprecedented times. The service support team is responsible for all post-sales activities. This includes installations, trainings, applications, software, hardware support, as well as repairs. Our goal is to be next to our customers in whichever way they need us and contribute to their success. We want our customers to be happy with our solutions, and we do believe that this can be done by giving them the possibility to have someone easily accessible. This is also one of the reasons why we have included Intercom as part of our service offering. From the beginning of the design of our systems, we wanted to make them easy to use and accessible, not only to people that they have a strong technological background. It is for that reason why the OneLab software, as well as all Andrew Alliance devices such as Andrew Plus, Pipette Plus, connected devices to OneLab, they have been designed in such a way to be easy to use from out of the box. This allows our customers to easily install them while we assist them remotely. The way we proceed with such a service is we schedule a remote installation session with our customers by using software like Microsoft Teams or even by the phone, and we guide our customers step by step in the installation procedure. When the installation is completed, then we request our customers to temporarily invite us in their OneLab, and by sharing our screen, we train them on the software as well as in the general use of the system. And I think this is one of the advantages of our cloud-based software. The fact that our support team can provide the same training quality specialized to the customer needs, and by using the customer's OneLab in the exact same way as we would have done if we were on site. Finally, we believe that we can even provide a better training quality, considering that we can have as many participants we want, as well as that we can record these sessions and share them with our customers for future use. I will be honest with you, at the beginning we were a bit concerned about the impact that the COVID-19 pandemic could have. But then we realized that our products and support offering was already ready to handle such unprecedented times. Our support solutions that were already designed to work efficiently remotely, and in a very short time we realized that we were able to provide the exact same support quality as before the COVID-19, according to our customer feedback. Therefore, I believe that the COVID-19 did not have any impact in our ability to support our customers. I would even say it reinforced our vision to go digital, something that our customers start to embrace more and more.
I think one of the nice things with the Andrew Plus OneLab software that's on the cloud is that they have a very helpful kind of chat feature where you can kind of immediately reach out to technical support and often get responses within a few minutes. And they've actually been very helpful, and they're like the same people that came out and helped us set up the system, so we know them, and we're able to work with them like really closely. And that's actually been kind of very nice for myself and also other people in the lab that are getting to know the system so that they can kind of have an immediate way to kind of get feedback of what the kind of how to best go about with the kind of the issue that they might be having.
Intercom is a very powerful support tool that is embedded in OneLab. With Intercom, our customers are able to access our help center where they can find a big selection of articles that they are written around the use of the system, but at the same time they have the ability to contact our support team in real time. We are literally one click away from our customers, and our support team does its best to reply to all support requests in the fastest way possible, usually just within a couple of minutes. And the fact that Intercom is part of OneLab, it allows the customer to apply the provided solution just from the same screen without losing any time. While if we believe it's better to switch to a call versus a text, then we can do it right from Intercom. From what we hear, our customers love it and we are thrilled about it.